Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my name is Shelby. You can call me Miss Shelby Elise. You can call me Shelby, Shelby Elise, whichever one you like. So today I'm going to be bringing you guys a passion twist tutorial. So this weekend I completed my passion twist. The back, the front, the sides. In the future I probably will do them a little bit smaller because I don't have as many as I would prefer, but I love the twist. They are so lightweight. If you've ever had box braids, you know how heavy box braids are on your head. I literally finished these up yesterday and I can work out, like I can move about, like there's no like tension in my head. I did do them myself as well, so I'm able to like adjust how tight I make them, so that is my favorite part. But if you guys want to learn how to make passion twists, I'm going to go through the process of me washing the hair and making sure everything is clean. I'm going to go through the process of me braiding my hair up and stretching it for the protective style. If you're natural and you don't like straightening your hair, this is a good way that you can go ahead and stretch your hair out instead of like blow drying it or flat ironing it, which a lot of stylists do. So I'm going through that, and then I'll go through how to put in the actual passion twist, and after that we'll go through like, you know, how to do the mousse and all that stuff. So if you want to see that, definitely stay tuned to the end of this video, and definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials and videos like this. If you just like me, like my personality, definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up because you already know it's going to be good quality. Look at these twists. Look at these twists. I'll probably keep these in for like at least 3 weeks. So this is a good protective style. Definitely comment what you want to see on my YouTube channel down below. I'm open to you guys suggesting anything that you guys want to see me do, whether it's another protective style, a makeup look, a cooking video. It does not matter. Comment what you want to see down below. One more thing, be sure to hit that bell notification so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how I wash this hair. So bye. So starting off with about a cup of vinegar and this Maybe braid hair and passion twist 18 inches. The color is T30. It's a really pretty brown color, and it really just matched with the recent highlights, the contour highlights that I have in my hair now. So I'm going to take each section that you see the section that they have here, and it's kept together by a twist tie. So I just used that same twist tie, tied it all the way up, and then I'm letting my nephew throw them in the water because he wanted to help me so bad. He thought this was like a bath for the hair. So you can see his little hands and him throwing them in there. You just want to straighten them out after they throw them in there. So it's a cool task if you have like someone that's little or like a baby around you that just wants to be involved. So this is the hair all in the tub. You can see those brown highlights towards the bottom. I'm going to leave this in for a few hours. I'll put the exact hour on the screen. I think it's 1 hour. And then afterwards, I'm going to take them and run them in hot water just to get all of that white vinegar out. And then I'm going to actually like press the hair against my hands to make sure that I'm getting all the water out. And I'm going to go ahead and take each section and put that in a towel just so it can dry overnight. And yeah, so that's just what you see me doing right here, just drying that out. And this is what all the hair is supposed to look like after it's dry. It basically just looks the same. You just remove that coating that they put on it that is harmful to our skin. Yes, these passion twists are so beautiful. Now I'm going to show you guys what I do with my real hair. I'm going to take it and put it in 4 different sections and braid those sections. So leave it in overnight and then take it out. Now it is time to section off the hair. So I'm creating this row right here. Yeah, when I tell you parting is the hardest part for me because I can't see, and then when I'm looking at mirrors, I always get tripped up. So we're just gonna act like that's a straight part, and I'm gonna go ahead and part and section that off so I can start creating those twists. So what I did once I actually got that section ready, it'll take me a while. I put this Shine and Jam on it, the orange bottle. I don't really like that, so in the future I'm just going to stick with my Eco Styler gel because that's really what works for me. And then you just want to put a rubber band around that section, so that's what I'm doing here. Okay, y'all, it's official. Roll the hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it all up and go through the section individually and get them together. All right, let's get into it. So you want to take the hair and section it off into 3 sections. So like you're doing a braid, and then you want to put the hair in between 2 of those sections. So what I did is I put the hair in between the left section and the right section. so there's nothing in the middle section. And I'm going to try to braid so it's even and that I get an even braid. So you'll see me slicking the hair up, pull out the band, then I put the gel on, then I'm brushing it. Like, this is a process that you go through with every single braid. You want to make sure that it's perfect. Like, you want to make sure that when you step out, you're like, okay, my braids or my twists look good. You don't want to go out and have people like, why? When did you get your hair done? Like 10 weeks ago? No. So now I'm going to do what I said I was going to do. So as you can see, with the left hand, I'm taking the left side of the twist. With the right hand, I'm taking the right side of the twist. In the middle, I'm keeping my real hair. So I'm going to be braiding that hair into my real hair. And I'll go down for a couple of sections. You'll see how it looks. You might have to like share hair, but it should start off well. Make sure you're starting at the scalp. Like when you pull that braid in, it should be pulled to your scalp. And I'm taking East Coast Styler gel just to like smooth it all out. That's what my hair likes. When I tried to do it with the Shine and Jam, my hair didn't really like it and it didn't really stay in my hair. It made my hair really fuzzy. So now this is an important part. You're going to go ahead and keep braiding. Now you're going to take the hair and separate that middle section into two different sections. Gel it up, and then you're going to start twisting. It depends what your hair is or what the hair you grab is, where you'll have to actually twist the hair. So I took this section left over right. So that is clockwise, but you might have to do another section. So it just takes a lot of getting used to. It takes you doing it a few times to actually know what works for you. But this is me doing it when I had did it a few times already. So I'm at this point getting better at doing the hair time by time. So you're not going to get it perfectly on the first time. Like, don't strive for perfection. Just strive to learn. Strive to do it the first time and strive to get better every single time that you do it. So that's the goal. I'm going to make sure that I evenly distribute the Eco Styler gel throughout the hair. And then towards the end, you want to wrap it around your fingers and actually make sure that it's a twist. Like, because if you don't, it'll unravel and you don't want that. So you want to twist it around your fingers towards the bottom and use some gel so it can stay put. With box braids, you usually put them in some boiled water. But with these, nah, you don't really want to do all that. It's not even that serious. Just get you some gel and make sure that you're twisting at the end. And if you go anywhere, it'll stay put. So I'll show you guys. Like, this is me gelling the whole braid. And then towards the end, I'll take it in between my two fingers and I'll wrap it up so that the twist continues. And then when that happens, you just wrap it up a little bit more so that it stays like that. Or you can keep twisting it. It's really just up to you and up to what your preference is as to what you do. So that's me doing a whole twist. You want to repeat this process in every section that you have divided throughout the hair. And now we're going to move on to the fun part.
That's what I like to do next. So this is the Cream of Nature Your Honey Curler Mousse. Child. Whew. Okay. So now I'm going to take this scarf and we're going to put this over the head. It's my favorite scarf ever. It's a Cantu scarf. You can find it at Target. I don't know if they sell it at Walmart, but that's where I got mine from. And just gonna wrap it up at the top. Just keep it like this for about 10 minutes and then you can go ahead and switch it up and take it off.
And when I took these scarf off, y'all almost hollered because the twists look so freaking good. They look so bouncy. They look so healthy. They look like they were actually done the right way. And I'm so proud of how this turned out. Please like this video and comment what you would like to see down below. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this and more hair videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Love you.
Listen, you always gotta use your lip balm. Like, they come in tubes, but this is a godsend for me. So this just stay in my purse all day, every day. You know it. If you want to know what the actual tube size looks like that customers get, this is the packaging. Always keep this on me. This is my trusty dusty lip balm go visit the Sunkissed Body Care website. It is $8. Hopefully it's on sale by the time you see this. Get your lips together, because winter, it kills us. It kills our lips. Our lips don't like the winter. Anyway,